So I have some scrap bikes, a free afternoon and a welder. So let's go and build something cool. So I started by sketching out a frame in my head. Then I just ignored that completely and started cutting. The base was a junked bike frame, and for the top part I was actually planning on making that from another bike. But sadly I'm not always the smartest guy, and by the time I got home I looked at the other frame with some reasonable doubt, took out a magnet, and that's when I quickly found out that yep, that's aluminium. So for the other parts, random steel pipe. Probably not made for bikes, but hey, it's strong enough, or at least I think so. Welding this together was more trial and error than precision engineering, and if it holds together without catching fire or warping, then it's probably good enough for me. So this is the fun part, which is where we can start to shape the frame and do whatever we want. So let's do that. So this tube right here fit perfectly in this one, which is great. I added some bracing to stop the frame folding like a taco, and it only wobbled a little bit after that. I used to make these kinds of bikes all the time when I was in high school, and those definitely were constructed a bit better, but this one, it's just meant to be a fun project for a few days just before it goes to scrap metal. At this point I was somewhere between mildly proud and deeply concerned, but it was standing on its own wheel, which felt like a small win to me. After that it's a matter of routing the chain and of course giving it a very nice paint job. If you want to build a proper one, I would add brakes, but I decided to skip that step for now. So there you have it, how to build a tall bike in a free afternoon. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to wear a helmet if you decide to give it a go yourself. Zo.